Today I'm going to show you how to fix high CPU usage on Windows 11. Okay, so your CPU is basically like the heart and brain of your computer. And if it's not running properly, your computer is just going to be slow, laggy, and quite frankly, irritable. So these fixes over here can make an immediate difference. The first thing you want to do is open Task Manager, and you can then go and sort by CPU column. Go to identify your resource hogs. Right, now select any offending process and click End Task to free up processing power instantly. Another simple thing is to reboot your computer. This clears any temporary glitches and allows Windows to actually finish pending background update tasks. After restarting, wait about 10-15 minutes for the system to fully settle before juggling performance. Now, this is a bit of a deeper dive. What you can do is update Windows 11. Make sure that your updates are at the latest software, and this you can find in Settings, Windows Update, and you can install any pending updates. You can also disable non-essential programs in Task Manager through your Startup tab to reduce any background load while your computer is booting up. And if Windows search hogs CPU rebuild its index, this can be done via Settings, Privacy and Security, searching Windows, Advanced Indexing Options, and this will allow you to rebuild your search index. Then you need to scan for malware. Malicious software often silently consumes CPU, so run a full system scan with Windows Security or any other preferred third-party antivirus. Then you need to check for any driver issues. This is targeting outdated or corrupted drivers that degrade performance. Update any critical drivers via your device manager or Windows Update.